Hello students, this video is to help us format a Word document for a college paper that requires APA style. So to get started, we're going to focus on a little bit of formatting to set up our paper. Typically when you guys write, you're likely over here adjusting fonts and sizes, but instead for this assignment, we're going to go ahead and use these templates over here and set up a standard. So let's go ahead and we're going to right click, modify, and we're just setting up our standard text to be Times New Roman, 12-point font, good, left align, yes, and then we want to make sure we go to format, paragraph, double space, make sure these are 0, no indents, and we are good to go. So we're going to go ahead and save that new documents based on this template. We don't need to worry about no spacing because we're always going to use this normal. And then we've got a couple different heading styles. So going ahead, right clicking, we've found modify, Times New Roman 12, yes, we want to make sure our heading is bolded. And our heading 1 is going to be centered. We're going to go ahead and click this new documents based on this template and make sure that our paragraph is set to double space with zeros over here. And that is good. Right, and then we're going to go ahead, right click, modify our heading 2. Let's go ahead, hit Times New Roman again, 12-point font. APA style is not a fan of color. We like our content of our papers to be judged based on their merit and not on their formatting. So we have nice consistent formatting. So we're going to go ahead, double check all this. We are going to want to keep this template again, but since we're in a heading 2, heading 1 was centered. Instead, for this one, we're going to go ahead into our format, our paragraph settings, make sure that's at 0, double space that, and then see this indentation part. We're going to go ahead and click special, first line, so we can see in the sample here that if we use a heading 2, it'll automatically indent for us. Okay, and now we're set. So we've modified our normal text, our heading 1, and our heading 2.